reputational damage. Welcome to our video series on reputational damage. In today's fast-paced digital world, a single misstep can tarnish a company's image overnight. Join us as we explore proactive strategies to protect your brand, including maintaining high ethical standards, ensuring transparency, and implementing robust cybersecurity measures. Learn from real-life case studies and expert insights on handling crises, monitoring public sentiment, and training employees. Whether you're a business leader or a concerned professional, this series will equip you with the knowledge to safeguard your reputation and navigate the complexities of public perception. Stay tuned and stay protected. This is part of our risk management video series. This is a CyberFrontierNetwork production, defending the cyber frontier. Subscribe today. Thank you for watching.